I totally broke the windshield while installing it. In order to get through registration, I need to fix it. It needs to be AS1 safety glass. And even more problematic, this particular windshield has heater elements in it. I called around to a bunch of places in San Jose and California. A lot of those places have let their custom glass people go. So I ended up having to order this from GBS. It took a little while to get in. So yeah, let's get into this. Yeah, you can see the damage right here. That's happened when I sent a tap in and it just kind of pushed on the side of the glass. And taking a look over here, we can see there's a little bit of glass damage over here from one of the screws. I think the screws I'm using might just be a little bit too long. Now you can tell there's some electrical tape on the top and bottom edges to cover up some of the electrical heater elements. We will be replicating that on the new one. Done. Nah, there's some other work I gotta do first. Alright, glass is in the frame, trim is in the rail. Next thing I gotta do is shorten up some screws a little bit, just so I can make sure that they're not gonna chip and break the new pane of glass. If I were a smart man, when the glass was out of the frame, I would have sent a tap through all the holes. As it is, might take the frame apart and do that,